I'm on the next level.
So we can start with this lovely baby. For those of you guys who don't know, LeoJ created this palette together with Etude House. Is my favorite Korean beauty creator. So I'm so excited to hold his product. I first saw him like a year or something ago on TikTok. His TikToks, like his beauty transitions, like seriously, I haven't seen anyone do it better than him. Hands down. And I've been using TikTok for a long time. I have never seen someone do beauty TikToks better than him. So I kind of want to try it too, but at the same time, looking at how good his is, I'm honestly intimidated to do it, but I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna try with his palette. So first of all, let's talk about the palette. It comes in this super cute kitten packaging. Like, how cute is that, a little kitten? Once you open it up, this is how it looks like. There are 9 gorgeous shades. And this palette consists entirely of cool tone shades, so it is amazing for people with cool tone skin. In case you don't know if your skin tone is cool tone or not, you can just look at your hand. If you can see your veins and they look kind of purpley or blue, then you have a cool tone skin. But I'm also going to put some chart and some information in the bottom for you to be completely sure. So does it matter if your skin is or isn't cool tone? I mean, depends. These are beautiful shades, so I'm sure no matter what skin color you have, you can still manage a beautiful look. But if you use tones that match your skin tone, your face will pop and look so much more beautiful than if you use, for example, warm shades on cool tone skin. So just check out the information if you want to know more. But I'm gonna go and get started with this palette because I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you close. This is how the palette looks. I have already played with it a bit. You can see it is already used. But there are these cute cat paw prints on it and oh, I'm living for it. Off the bat, the first thing I love about this palette is that there are the perfect matte shades for a daily look and beautiful shimmer shade for under eye area, as well as a very beautiful and deep shimmer shade for the triangle area underneath your eye to make your eyes look deeper and really pop. And this beautiful glitter shade, I absolutely love the glitter in it. It has like a pink and golden undertones, and the last shade is the perfect shade to use for an eyeline. So let's get started. Okay, what kind of look do I want to do today? Do I want to go all crazy or do I want to do a neutral beautiful look? That is the question I always ask myself. And then I'm like, I'm gonna go for a subtle look, and then I end up doing the crazy still. That is my struggle. Okay, let's try and go for a like romantic, pretty look. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna start with this. What is that? So obviously I'm gonna start with this base shade. This is the perfect base shade because it has a pink undertone, so I can instantly guess that it's gonna make my eye bright and make it so much easier for the other tones to really pop. So let's start with that, and I'm going to lightly cover my whole lid. It has really soft and smooth texture, very easy to blend. But let's see how it blends with other shades. So the next I'm gonna use, what am I gonna use? So I'm just gonna go for like a gradient look. So I'm gonna start with this one and then just move on to the darker shades. Yeah, let's try and do that. So I'm gonna take this shade now on the same brush, but I'm gonna apply it like on the other parts of my eye. That is beautiful. Let me zoom you guys in. Can you see how beautiful that is? I love it. Let's bring it down here a bit. Let's blend out a bit with the base shade, and then let's deepen it out a little bit more. Like so. I love this shade and I love how soft it is. I wanted to say it blends like butter, but it's not this creamy consistency. It's more like really soft. Now I'm gonna take an even smaller brush and do this color. I'm gonna skip this one. I'm gonna go to this color and darken out here. Oh, I really love it. It's really subtle but very pretty. So now that it looks something like this, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here to even more deepen out the look. I'm gonna move in a little bit closer. The reason why I'm doing only one eye is because I'm going to do a tic-tac as I'm doing the look. So I'm gonna do the first eye and then do the second one off camera. So let's just apply this. So pretty, I love it. I'm gonna bring the same shade a little bit underneath my eye as well, here. I love this palette. I mean, I wasn't doubting it. I mean, it is LeoJ and Etude House, so obviously they're gonna make an amazing product, but this is so good. Like, especially because I'm doing so many like shoots where I need to do natural makeup on myself, that this is perfect, you guys. So let's take the biggest brush and blend out with the base color. So it is really, you know, neat. So now let's do the fun part and glitter it up. So I'm gonna take this beautiful shimmer shade and I'm going to apply it on the triangle part underneath my eye. So from here to here to really like deepen out this part. On the pan it looks a lot more shimmery. You see how shiny it is? But I don't see any shimmer when I apply it with the brush. So let's try and apply with a flat brush. That usually does the trick. So let's try with the flat brush. Okay, now it's there. Now let's apply this beautiful shimmer shade underneath my eye, or in Korean you would say on the 애교살 area, which is this area underneath the eye. So let's try that. That is a very subtle, summery shine. So now let's do the very, very fun part, which is my favorite part of any makeup, which is the glitter. So, will I do it with my finger? Let's try to do it with my finger and then do the edges with the brush. That is glittery. Okay, let's apply it to my eye. Woo! That's a lot of glitter. That is gorgeous. Can you see the shine? Okay, now let's fix the edges with a brush. And also put a little bit on my inner corner. I don't know if you can pick up the difference between these two shades on camera, but in real life this is a very sheer shimmery shade, but this is like a glitter shade. So here you can see that there are small and big glitter flakes together, and there is a very beautiful pink and gold undertones to it, like a very, very, very pretty shade. So I'm gonna show you up close so you can see both, and I'm gonna show you this one too so you can see. So these are all the shimmer and glitter shades. How pretty! Let's do the darkest shade for the eyeline. So I'm gonna take a bit with my eyebrow brush and just press it onto my eyeline. So I'm gonna blend it in a bit. And lastly, I'm gonna take the same 애교살 shimmer shade and put it a little bit underneath my eyebrow for a highlight. And that's it for this eye. I'm gonna finish off the eye, do my lashes, and be right back. So here I am with my makeup all complete. Overall, I really enjoyed this cool tone palette. I think it has all of the shades you might need for a daily cool tone look. Of the light and dark matte shades, as well as the shimmer and glitter shades, make it possible to complete almost any cool tone look imaginable. So I'm happy about this palette. If I have to pick a favorite shade, I would definitely say this one, because it just applies so smoothly and this color is astonishing. I also adore the color of this shimmer. Actually, both shimmers are very pretty. So my favorite would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these shades. But as all of the shades are so usable, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit pan in all of them. So overall, this is an amazing collaboration between Etude House and LeoJ. Congratulations on the amazing palette, and I can't wait to see what he's gonna do with it on his TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see how you're gonna play with this palette. So if you make any fun looks or maybe recreate this one, please tag me so I can see. If you enjoyed this video, please try my previous video where I tried some TikTok hacks, or the video before that where I take you guys along to my vampire shoot. And see you in my next video!